Okay,
Hmm.
let's see what our next task. Okay, these were just our answers, but I know we had all our answers right. Let's play a game.
Oh,
Tick.
game, online game.
I love the games because it gives us an opportunity to speak and answer.
Oh,
You may,
nice.
don't you like the games?
I like games when I don't need to speak.
Emma, the whole idea of the classes is to speak. And we have been having classes for about a year already. And I think the way you have started speaking is actually amazing. So I am very proud of you. And as I have said before, you are one of my students with the best sense of humor. I really enjoy having my classes with you because I think we quite understand each other. Do you agree?
Yes.
Another teacher would be very, very strict and just stay to the curriculum and say, we have to do this and we have to do this. I think I'm very lenient to change the lesson to suit your personality. Or what do you think, Emma?
No,
Do you enjoy the lessons with me or would you like another teacher?
enjoy.
Enjoy. Yes, I think we understand each other quite well. Okay, I
Mm-hmm.
just I just really, really wish I could see you one day. Even if it's just for
No,
2 seconds. I just want
no,
to see this is what
no,
Emma looks like. And I mean,
no.
you have seen me on my worst. You've seen me looking bad and you've seen me looking good, but at least you always see me. And I just have to imagine Emma with long black hair and
No,
not black.
not, no.
Blonde
And
hair,
not long and not black hair.
short brown hair.
Yes.
Okay, I have to change my picture. Emma with short brown hair, and
Mm-hmm.
she loves wearing black clothes.
Yes.
Okay, she doesn't like a lot of color. She won't wear um, all different colors together like I sometimes do. Um, she dresses very plainly and she's just a normal teenage girl with brown short hair. I did not know that. I've always imagined you with very dark hair. And I do think you have beautiful eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. What color are your eyes?
Brown.
Brown.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now at least I have a little bit of a picture. So hopefully one day Emma will show me what
No,
she. Why,
no.
Emma? I just want to
Because
plug
I don't
in.
want. I don't want.
Why am I not allowed to see what you see what I look like every day, even when
Yes.
I don't look good? Today I'm not looking good. My hair is all horrible and it's raining and it's wet and I just had a horrible morning. So, and still I show you what I look like. But it's
I
okay.
don't want.
Hey?
I don't want. So I don't want to show how I like. I look. How I look.
Okay. But maybe one day.
No.
Never ever.
Yeah. Never.
So I missed sometime in the future when I'm an old lady, I'm still not going to know what Emma looks like.
Yes.
Okay, I think I need to go to Ukraine and go and find you.
It's hard to find me.
No, it's not hard to find you. I will go and I will go and speak to teacher Olga and I will say, please tell me where I can find Emma, and then I will surprise you with a shake made from insects so that you can taste it. What do you think
Mm,
about that?
Maybe it tastes good.
Okay, but do you think I can come to your home and give you some shake?
No, because I'm not going to open the door.
You're not going to open the door for me, and
Yes, because
then I'm going to cry because I've
oh,
gone all the way to Ukraine, 10,000 kilometers to see you and to meet you and to finally give you a hug and say, thank you, Emma, for all the lovely lessons. And then you're not going to open the door.
yes, because I'm going to sleep.
I will wait until you wake up.
um,
You have to wake up sometime to eat, and then I'm going to give you your protein shake.
oh,
I think I must make a plan. What do you think?
it's
If I go all the way to Ukraine, you definitely cannot not open the door for me.
I think about it. I don't know. I think.
Okay, but don't you worry, I need to save a lot of money before I can fly anywhere. So it won't be soon. It will only be in about a year or two or three. And then I will say, I want to go to Ukraine to see all my Ukrainian students, including Emma.
Mhm.
Where do you live, Emma? Do you live near Kiev?
It's I'm not going to tell. Near Kiev, yeah. Near
Near
Kiev.
Kiev, but in a
Yeah.
village.
Yeah.
And your school is also in a village. You don't
Yeah.
go to Kiev to have school.
No.
So everything you do is in your village
Yes.
and it's near Kiev. How far do you travel to get to Kiev?
I'm not going to Kiev because I don't need like.
Okay, but if you have to go to Kiev, how far do you travel? Is it an hour away? Is it 30 minutes away? How
This
close
I
is it?
don't remember. I don't remember. I
Haven't you
don't
been
go to.
in Kiev for a long time?
Um. No, I don't remember how much time I need to be in Kiev because no, I not really often go to Kiev. I don't need
Okay,
this.
okay. Everything you need is in your village.
Yeah.
Okay, your school. Where do you have a granny that you often visit?
No.
Is it not you that has a granny that you go and visit your granny in another town or in another village?
No, I'm not going to
Not
because
you.
live. No.
Do you still have a granny?
Yeah.
And where does she live? Far away
In
from
an
you.
Yeah. In another city.
Okay, so it's too far to travel for a weekend.
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't go there very often.
Yeah.
I think it's one of my other students that have their granny that lives close by, and they often visit their granny, and she often visits her mom. She's a student that lives in, I'm not sure, also in a village somewhere. I can't remember all the names of the villages. I only know a few names. I know Kiev and I know Odessa at the bottom, and can't remember which others I know. What is the name of your village?
It's I no.
No, you do know.
I know, but I don't want to tell.
Don't you want
Which
to
city?
tell me? Don't
I
worry,
don't want.
I'm not really going to visit you. I don't have money to go to Ukraine. So you can tell me what village you are in. I'm definitely not going to go there anytime soon. Okay, so
In Trebuchev.
in what?
In in Trebuchev.
Trabuhiv.
Trebuchev. Yeah. No,
Trabuhiv.
it's hard to pronounce Trebuchev.
Okay, because I always like to look on the map where my students are and how far they are from Kiev and if they're close to the Carpathian Mountains or are they close to the not the Red Sea, the Black Sea, or where they are. Will you write the name in the chat so that I can go and look on Google where your city is?
Okay, try to.
But now you must not write in Ukraine because then I then I can't see anyway. Because I like to see what the cities look like.
Okay.
I did not spell that right. Let's see. Trebucheid. Trebucheid.
Требухів.
Okay, how do you say it?
Требухів.
Hiv. Okay, Trebuchiv. In English, I would say Trebuchiv. So Trebuchiv. I would change the V and the E around if I had to say it. Trebuchiv. Now, while the city I live in is called that. Do you think you can say that name?
Bloemfontein.
Yes, Bloemfontein, and it's in the Free State, and it's the central of South Africa. So the province I live in is called the Free State. So my city is called Bloemfontein, and my province is called the Free State, and it's central South Africa because my province, if you take the map, do you know what Africa looks like? It comes down like that. So I
Yeah.
am in the middle. I'm not close to a sea. I'm not close to a mountain. I'm not close to anything. So I'm in central South Africa. I don't I don't have a sea near me. I don't have mountains near me. I just have a lot of flatness around me. Okay. Oh dear, now I've closed my slide. That was stupid. Um, what did I do? Um, okay, there we go. Too busy chatting about our foods. Okay. Okay, we've done that one. And those are just the answers. Let's play our game quickly. Okay, let's see. You can start first and you can tell me if you want to be the noughts or the circles or the crosses. And you can write on my screen. So you can make the first cross or the first nought. You may choose which one you want to answer first.
I choose this. In many cultures in are a staple food, would you be open to adding them to your diet? Why or why not? No, maybe not at all time, but try. Why not?
In the future, try it. You don't think insects are going to be that bad?
Yeah, maybe no. It's be scary to eat insects, but I think it's be
It is
not very
scary
bad.
to eat insects, but if they dry them out and they make them fine and they look like powder and they don't look too bad, I'm sure I will also add that to my food. Because what's the difference if you add plants or meat or insects as long as it tastes okay? Okay, so good answer. Let's see. I will take this one. Let me just get a pen. Okay, I will take that one. How do you think the tasteless powder made from air could change the way we consume our daily meat? That's another one that I don't quite understand because I'm not very good in science. So I don't know how they're going to take the air, and they specifically speak about carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is what you breathe out. You
Oh.
breathe in oxygen and it goes into your lungs and it changes to carbon dioxide. So when you breathe out, it's carbon dioxide. So I can't really answer that question because I don't understand what the food is going to be like when they make it like that. Okay, so I've chosen that one, but I don't quite understand how they're going to do it. Okay, the next one, Emma.
Next.
Now you,
Which your favorite snack
oh, you are a clever girl. Okay.
in edible packaging? How would it look and taste?
Okay, we have discussed that one quite a lot. If you take edible packaging, what does it have to look like for you to be able to eat it?
I'm not going to eat something what like. Mm,
Okay,
no, I
remember,
don't.
okay,
Uh,
remember we spoke a lot about the ice cream. So we
yeah.
are actually already eating the container in which, or the bowl in which we get ice cream.
Ice cream taste and this like bowl, how it also tasty.
It is quite tasty. So they're going to have to be very inventive with their food if they want us to eat it. They've already got us eating ice cream holders, which is the cone, or ice cream dishes, like I showed you now. But another edible package, they're going to have to do a lot of research before I actually eat it. Okay, let's see. Now I have to take this one, otherwise you are going to win. Let's see. Okay, now I've made it that I almost can't read it. Would you buy a product with edible
And the
packaging even if it was
more
more
expensive.
expensive? Why or why not? No, I won't. Because I would personally buy the cheapest one. And if I have to throw away the packaging, then I throw it away. So I'm not going to buy something just because I don't want to waste. Maybe I'm wrong. They don't want me to think like that, but I will buy the packaging that I can throw away. I'm not going to pay more so that I can eat the packaging. What do you
I
think?
hate- Yeah, I also don't want to buy. It's more expensive.
Yes, I don't want to pay more for something just so that I can eat it. I will eat the contents, what's inside. I'm not going to eat the packaging that everybody has touched. Okay, your next one.
Mm,
Now you have to think carefully and strategically. Oh,
Imagine hosting a dinner party where you paint all the meals. What dish mm, would you be most excited to serve to your guests? I'm not going to have a party in my home.
okay. And if you do have a party, you are not going to make a lot of 3D food. Imagine you've set a table and in everybody's plate, you have something that you printed. I don't think
Um,
I want to come and have supper with you or I don't want to attend your party if I'm going to get 3D food because how tasty is it going to be?
yeah, I also don't
Is
want.
it going to taste a little bit like plastic or is it going to remember in the beginning we had that little round thing with the mushrooms? It looks rather weird. So don't invite me to your party, please. I don't want to eat 3D food. But you're
Okay.
not going to invite me anyway. Will you invite me?
I don't know.
Maybe. Or
Maybe.
not at all. You're not going to invite me.
I don't know.
But it's okay. I'm not going to come because I'm not going to eat 3D food. If you give me real food, I will come and visit you. Okay, my next move. Oh dear, I have to take this one. Okay. Which food innovation do you think will become mainstream first and why? Which one is going to be the most popular? I think the making fine of insects, making insects into powder. I think is going to be the first one because it's already happening in Asia. So it just needs to spread to the rest of the world.
Yeah.
Okay. Because the Asians are weird people. They are already eating insects. So I
They
think
eat
that one,
all.
hey,
They in Asia people eat all. What
which
is
which other
they eat all?
people? I think the Asian people eat quite a lot of things that we don't eat.
They eat all.
They
Like
don't mind what they eat. They even eat jellyfish. Do you know what a
yeah. Oh,
jellyfish is? Have you seen a
yeah.
jellyfish? It's actually
Yeah.
quite pretty. It's that little thing in the ocean, and then it has long little tentacles.
Yeah.
They make salad from that.
Yeah. They eat it
They
in
don't
the
mind what they eat as long
yeah.
as they eat.
They eat all what they can eat. Like
They, I'm sure if they can, they will even eat cats and dogs and snakes. They eat snakes.
yeah, maybe.
So
Yeah. They
I'm
use
not
snakes like to medicine, like
I'm
to be
not going
healthy.
to be healthy. I will be healthy in South Africa, thank you. I am not going to eat snakes and I'm not going to eat all these strange things. So I'm not going to visit Asia. I will rather visit Ukraine, where I get normal food. Okay, what is your next move, Emma? I
Which
knew
shows the
that. I knew that.
most future food technology excites you the most? Why
Okay.
nothing?
Which of these mentioned future food technologies excites you? Which one are you looking forward to?
Nothing.
I have to say, I don't think I'm going to eat the lab meat because it's going to be more expensive. And you can't really eat something that you don't know what is inside it because they're going to grow it from a lab. Number two, okay, the insects I might eat if I don't know. The fermentation food, I'm not sure what they're going to make. And the 3D food, I think is going to be a little bit tasteless. So I'm not going to eat that either. And the edible packaging, I don't want to, except for an ice cream, I don't want to eat packaging that everybody has touched
Yeah,
because
true.
now it's from the person that makes it into the box to the store and the person that packs it onto the shelves and then maybe they pack it right because you don't buy the first one that they pack out and then the one when you scan to pay you touch it again and then you touch it when you put it in the cupboard and you touch it when you eat it. I don't think that's for me.
Yeah.
Okay, and Emma has won the competition. Well done, Emma. And I tried my best so that you can't win. And Emma won because Emma done it very strategically. So well done, Emma. You were cleverer than I was in this exercise. The previous time I done this exercise with somebody, not one of us won because everything was confusing. Okay, and I'm not going to let us watch this video because this video is 8 minutes long and then it takes too much of our time. So I'm not going to let us watch it. I'm just going to ask you two questions. Why do you think we might eat more jellyfish in the future? And as I've told you, the Asians are already eating jellyfish. So do you think that is something that's going to become very popular and we're all going to eat it?
Um. No, maybe no.
Uh,
Maybe.
okay, why no? I have my answer because why no?
Why no? Because jellyfish is something strange, and not all country maybe have a lot of jellyfish to eat it. Like
Okay, yes, because I mean, I live in the middle of South Africa. how is the jellyfish going to get to me? And I just want to show you, look how pretty jellyfish
Yes, they were
are.
good.
They
Yes,
are pretty little animals. Why would you want to take them out of the sea and eat them? I mean, look at them. They are
yes,
pretty. They're not,
yes,
I think they belong in the sea. And look at this one. It actually lights up in the water and it actually has like a glowing, I think they're very pretty. I would not eat them. And the other reason is I live in the center of my country. How long is it going to take if you take a jellyfish out of the sea? By the time the closest sea is about 4 or 5 hours away. What is that jellyfish going to look like when it gets to my country, to my city? So I am not going to be eating jellyfish anytime soon. Okay, and then the next one. What do you think would be children's reaction to food made from cricket flour? If you think of cricket flour, that is when they use the insects which are high in protein. Are children going to eat a muffin that is baked from cricket flour? And are they going to eat the edible packaging? And are they going to eat jellyfish salad? What do you think? Remember, children are strange creatures.
you. I don't know. I scary children. I don't like them.
You don't like children. I don't like children either.
They, I scary.
Yes, I only like children that are 10, 11, 12. I don't like children that are younger than that because they don't speak to me and they can't interact and they don't know anything. So I don't like small children either. And I don't like teaching small children because they don't listen. So I'm lucky my children are nice and big. They're 17 and 20. So I don't like children that are under the age of 10. But
I
that's
don't like
just,
children because they're scared and I.
children are weird.
Yes, and they always need something, always shout and
I know, I know. That's why I
know
like
what to do.
grown-up children more, because children are very insecure and then they react differently than what we that are a little bit older act. So I'm with you on that one. I won't say it very loud, but I'm not too fond of small children. Okay, but I think children will eat anything if it looks good if they don't know what they are eating.
Yeah, they don't
Okay.
know.
Because they're not going to know. If you give them a cupcake or a muffin and you say, here's a muffin, and you decorate it with ice cream, they're not going to know that it's been made from crickets. And they're just going to say, ah, yum, 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 and they're going to eat it. So I don't think that children are going to, if they don't know, they're going to eat it. But if they do know, they're going to pretend they're very clever and they're going to say, I don't eat this. I don't like this. So, do you agree?
Yeah,
Okay, so we're not really into children, and I'm not going to let us watch the video of 8 minutes about children. We can just say, if it looks good, they're going to eat it. If it doesn't look good, they're not going to eat it. Um, okay, and Emma, I think that is the end of the lesson because we are, the next one takes a little bit of time, and we still have exercises after this one. This one's nice, but our time is up. Okay. And then remember, I asked you last week and you said you're going to speak to your mom. I'm not available on Thursday because I'm going to be on the road because my daughter is playing netball in in another city that is about 10 hours away from where I am. So I am going to be on the road on Thursday the whole day. Are you available that we have a lesson tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
You can give me a time. If it's in the morning, if it's in the afternoon, if it's in the evening, you can give me any time tomorrow and I can tell you if it's okay. I have a lesson at 11 o'clock and I have a lesson at 7 o'clock. Any other
No,
time you can choose. We
no,
can meet
I
at
tomorrow
12
I
o'clock.
12. Okay.
12 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I
12.
don't want us to miss our lesson. Because you know what, Emma? I really like you. Do you know
Mhm.
that?
No.
Even though you don't want to show me what you look like, I still think you're a very special student and I like because I think we get along very well.
Mm-hmm.
Do you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Another teacher would be very strict and say, we have to do this, we have to do this. And I think you and I understand each other.
Mm-hmm.
Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And I really, really enjoy my classes with you because I think you're very witty and you're very wise. And the way you answer sometimes, I really find it entertaining and I enjoy having lessons with you. So I hope we're still going to have a lot of lessons together. But okay, so we're changing Thursday's lesson to tomorrow at 12 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the warm weather while I have very cold weather with snow and rain. And I will see you tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Goodbye.
Okay, bye bye, Emma. Keep well. Bye.